Can state government give subsidy to electricity consumers? So Electricity Act also provides that the government can give subsidy, but there are conditions for the subsidy. Condition 1 is that government, if they want to give subsidy to any consumer, whether it is domestic, whether it is commercial, whether it is industrial, whether it is railways, it has to pay in advance. So if Delhi government wants to give subsidy to any consumer, good, go ahead with that. But the Electricity Act says you pay in advance to the DISCOM, then only consumer you will give subsidy. Number 1. Condition 1. Condition 2. If State Electricity Regulatory Commission makes regulation, then you have to comply with the regulation also. If they have not made regulation, good for you, good for everyone. Just pay the subsidy amount and ask the DISCOM to distribute subsidy, or don't charge or don't do billing for the consumer. 200 units, 300 units, 150 units. If State Electricity Regulatory Commission has made a regulation ki this is the process, it can make it with direct benefit transfer. So it says, okay, whatever bill is there, you raise the bill. Some state regulator can say, raise the bill, collect the bill, and the consumer, whatever is the amount of electricity bill which the DISCOM has charged, it will give to the government. Government can disburse it directly, direct benefit transfer. So if these kinds of regulations are made, then second condition kicks in. The government has to comply with regulation. There is a third condition also. Third condition is the state government can be very smart and intelligent. The state government can say, under section 108 of the Electricity Act, I have the powers to give directions to State Electricity Regulatory Commission. So I will exercise my powers of giving direction to State Electricity Regulatory Commission, asking them to give subsidy or some other method. Law says any direction which is contrary to this subsidy above, जो advance payment है, जो 2 conditions है, so any direction which is contrary to the above 2 conditions is not operative. State government can give direction to State Electricity Regulatory Commission in all the matters except with respect to subsidy. So to sum it up, जो question था madam का कि can state government give subsidy to electricity consumer? The answer is yes. The state government has full rights to give subsidy to the electricity consumer, but there are 3 conditions. First condition is you have to pay in advance to DISCOM. उसके बाद distribute होगी subsidy. Second condition is this: अगर regulations have been made by state electricity regulator with respect to procedure, we have to apply the procedure also. Third condition is that the state government is not allowed to give any direction with respect to the subsidy to the State Electricity Regulatory Commission. If it has given any direction, that direction is inoperative. So hope I have answered the question.